Hello, this is Sheila. She's Beautiful Urban, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this look using the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, and just keep on watching. And if you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to be a part of the Urban Beauty community. So please push that subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And for who all's already a part of the Urban Beauty community, welcome back. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Love you guys. Keep on watching. Okay guys, we're going to start off with, we have our P. Louise base right here. And this is in number 2, I believe. Let me make sure. It says taking your makeup to pro status. And I believe this is number 2 that I ordered. It's called Rumor 2. 02. So we got that down. This is the color. Make sure y'all see that. And that's what's on my eyes. Kind of went light. So we can have these colors nice and bold. Let's see the palette again. We're doing the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. Okay, I'm going to open her up. And here's this sheet with the labeled names on it. And here are the beautiful colors that we're going to be working with today. Let y'all see that. Okay. Alright. And we're just going to jump right in. We're going to wing it. See what we come up with. But I definitely want to do some reds. And I definitely want to try this greens. Although I don't have anything green on. But a pop of color don't hurt nobody. Alright. Alright. So, first color I think I want to go into would be, maybe this color right here in the center. Y'all can see this right here. Okay. And I guess that color would be called, hold up, I can't see this. Wait a minute. Hold up. Let me sure I got it on the right way. I think I do. I don't remember moving it out of its place. Let me see. It's called Ferocious. Yep, it's called Ferocious. Alright. Alright, y'all. We're going to go in with Ferocious. And I'm going to grab my Jaclyn Hill brush in number 32. Right here. It's a nice fluffy brush. And I'm going to tap right into that Ferocious. Ooh, it's a little kickback on the pan. See that? Let me show y'all. A little kickback. Just a little bit. So, got to go in lightly. So, we're going to take that right across the crease and above the crease. We're going to see what we came up with. Make sure it's nice and blended really soft. So as you can see, I'm patting it down. And then I'm going in the circular motions and windshield wiper motions. Okay. I'm not going to make this very dramatic, but I really want it to be nice and pretty. And I want it to be the main color to be red, I think, for sure. But we going to see. I never had my looks thought out. Because, you know, when you think our looks out, they never come out the way we had it pictured in our brains. So, hey. It just don't work out that way. But I believe using Ferocious, which is this kind of a beautiful orangey color, will make the colors really stand out. So I'm doing that. And it's going on nice and smooth. Really pretty. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day and happy holidays to everyone. She's just tapping it on nice and light and smoothing the edges out as I go. Just like that. See how pretty that is? Mm-hmm. Don't worry about this part right here because that's going to connect with the bottom of our last line. Okay, we got this part on. Just like that. Nice and smooth, not patchy or anything. Okay, other eye. Work with both eyes at the same time. Because of those who don't know, I always like to mention the fact that I am blind in my left eye. So I can take my time. Be sure I have both sides nice and even. Very pretty. I like this color. This palette has a nice oranges, has that few little pops of green, has some nice rose color. So it's a really nice palette. It has some reds, some nice cool tones, these pretty browns, and some taupe colors as well. So it's nice and well rounded. You can definitely pull out everyday looks with this palette. So we getting those colors on. Y'all can see that. It's going on really pretty and nice and smooth. I can definitely say Morphe has really stepped the game up with the formulation. But I've always loved Morphe shadows since the beginning. I think I've been with Morphe since like 2008 when they first came out. So I had like almost every palette that they own, but they've come out with, except these last few collaborations. I haven't got all those yet, but I plan to. So let's get right on in the center and build that up a little bit more. Just like that. See, it's already pretty. I can go like this, be plain, throw me some little outline on there, and be done. Just how pretty this color is. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, so I'm just going to soften up the edges by going lightly on the strokes. Just like that. Let's go lightly on the strokes. Alright, so now I want to go a little bit deeper. And I think I want to use, I'm going to go with this color right here on the bottom. That's a pretty color there. And that color is called Warning Label. Okay, alright. And I'm going to use the JH33 brush. Just going to tap into that. There is kickback. I'm going to take this on the outer corner, just like that. Just tap it on the outer corner. It's a nice deep color. It's actually appearing on my eyes deeper than what I expected it to. I mean, it's actually what's in the pan though. So I like that. See, I got that on the outer corner. Really pretty. I may use this color in the middle. I don't know. I don't want to throw my complete look off. I don't think I got, well, I got some gold in the middle of my shirt right here. Right across there. So it just might work out. But let's concentrate this beautiful red cherry color right on the outer corner. Just like that. Make it nice and deep. It's very pigmented. I like that. I'm going to go to the other eye. See how that landed there so soft and nice? And that P. Louise base is something serious, honey. Yes, it is. And it's a very light color in the P. Louise base. But it's, you can see it got completely covered with my eyeshadow, so that's no problem. No problem at all. So we deepen up that outer corner just like that. So we coming in the form, y'all. We coming in the form. Just like so. Okay, now, let me kind of blend it out a little bit. I'm going to go back into Ferocious, which was this color right here. Blend out those edges. Soften the edges are real nice. Blend it right all the way across the bottom, right across here too. Right across here, across the lid, in front of where we put the color warning label. Almost forgot the name. Blend out those edges. It's laying down really nice. I like that. See how it's turned out really pretty. Soften up the edges. Bringing it out a little bit. Just like so. Y'all see that? Alright. Going back into warning label. Just a little bit. Got a little definition going on. Just like so. Okay, now we're going to go into this black, which is called Smoked Out. Right, just right here. A little bit of the black. And I want to take the JH48, let me see, JH40 brush right here. Go into the outer corner, tap it lightly, because we don't need but a little bit. Right on the outer corner, right here. Give it a little definition. Just keep blending it just like that. Y'all see that? Just like so. Just tap it and then blend it out. Other side, tap it and blend it out. Y'all see that? Make sure y'all can see. Here we go. Just like that. Look at that, y'all. A little bit more on this side. Then I turn straight to make sure it's nice and even. I'm kind of feathering it out. As you can see, it's kind of feathered. You know, see what I'm saying? It's kind of feathered out. That way I come back in with the red, it'll just blend right on in. So I'm going to go in with this pretty color right here. And that is called Ball of Fire. That's a good name. And I'm using the JH32 brush, which I had earlier. Just kind of get it on the other side. So we're going to just focus that right next to that black. And feather it out. See, feathering right into the black. Same on this side. Just feather it out. That's that gradient effect I'm always talking about. Okay, so we did that. Come all the way around. It's really pretty, y'all. Okay, now we're going to go back into warning label. Right in here. Blend it out. Make it soft. Just like that. See that? Look at that. It's so pretty. Excuse my eye ring. It always seems to be in the way. But I will blend right amongst it. So hey. Okay, then we're going to go back into Ferocious. Soften it up. Alright, so now we're going to go into this pretty green. I do want that green in there. I'm going to go ahead and put that green on there. So I'm going to grab the JH 39 with this little brush here. Okay, I'm going to put a little of that P. Louise base on the bottom lash line. Just a little bit on the bottom, on my hand, just that little dot. Put that on the bottom lash line. See, I want that pop of color. So blend it real nicely on the bottom lash line. Just like so. Alright, let me get a little bit more from my outer corner. Right here. Alright, now with that same brush, I just wipe it off. Got my little makeup wipe, clean that brush out. I'm going to go into this green. I'm going to pat it on. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Just pat it on. Pat it on first and then we'll blend it out. I'm just patting it in a dotting type of action. Nice dotting. Just like that. Just dotting it on. Then blend it out. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. That green is really pretty. Oh, that's nice. Look at that, y'all. So we got the green on. And now we're going to go back into the black. I'm going to use that same brush, that green brush, go into this black called Smoked Out. We're going to connect right there with the green. Just a little bit, not too much. Got a little bit of fallout on my face, but that's alright. We're going to clean that up. We're not going to go all the way around this black either. Just like so. See that, y'all? Ooh-wee. Now, I'm going to go back into the green. Clean my brush off. So now we're going back into the green and blend it out. Just like that. Getting our gradient effect with that green and that black. That green is helping that black blend on out and even up the eye look on the bottom of the lash line. Now, look at that, y'all. Oh, that's so pretty. So, let me put, we're finished with the look, I believe. I do want to put a little bit of sprinkle on it. I do want to get this palette its full potential. So I'm going to put a little bit of that pressed glitter on my eye. Just a little bit. Just to say I even used it. So I'm going to do this right here in the middle. Just press that on just like that. Just like that. Press it on real nice. I think that's so pretty. I think I'm going to put that on my whole lid at the bottom. Ooh, that just took that look to another level. Just press it on. See, I'm just pressing it on. Didn't use no glitter glue or nothing. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let me go up a little bit higher on this side, because this is where my eyes are uneven. Y'all see that? That's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. I want to make sure it's even. Come up a little bit higher on this side. Okay, I think that's going to do me. Now we need some brown bone highlight. And I don't see no brown bone highlight in here. So I'm going to just have to use this color right here. Just to put a little color to my brow bone. It may just work. Yeah, I think that'll work. You know I like a little shimmer on my brow bone, but hey, we're working with what's in the palette. And that worked out just fine. And let me go in my inner corner. Just to brighten up my inner corner. Just like that. Just like that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Ooh. Okay. Now, I believe I'm finished with this eye look. So I'm going to go put this liner on. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills liner. I'm just dropping stuff, y'all. Put this liner on. Just like that. Y'all see that? Ooh. Gotta be careful when you put liner over glitter. There you go. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. Ain't that cute? So, I think I'm going to go with my inner waterline with this green right here. And another small brush. Brighten up my waterline. Open up the eyes a little bit. Bring that light green down. Really brighten up the inner corner. Just like that. Look at that, y'all. Oh. Okay, so I'm finished with the eye look. So I'm going to come back with some mascara, some lashes, some highlight, and a beautiful lip. Hey, y'all sit back, because I will be right back. So I am back, and here is the eyes. Turned out dramatic. Not that I wanted it to, but it did. Y'all see that? So let's go ahead and put on a lip. Okay, and the lip I'm going to do is, it's called the Ella Masqua. It's the anti-matter lipstick, and it's in the color Midnight. This beautiful red color. Going for a red lip. Got my Wet n Wild chocolate liner. I think that's the perfect red for this look. And I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. Give us a nice shine to the lip. Clean that off. Make sure I don't put that back in my lip gloss. Just like that. Nice little shine. Oh, it feels so pretty. Okay, that's the lip. So we're going to go into our highlighting and blush. So I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill, the Flare palette, right here. She's got this nice packaging, and it's mirrored, so you know we get the little fingerprints on the back. And I got mine in the Flare, and it looks like this. Y'all can see that. And I'm going to go into the color. We got the colors Glow Up, Make It Look, Exposure, and Turned On. Just like that. I'm going to go into Turn On, which is this pretty rosy color first. So I'm going to take my Royal & Lane nickel brush right here. Tap into that lightly because I don't know how it's going to go home. Because it is a highlighter, but it has like a little pinky in it. I think it's a nice blush color. It's pretty. I'm going to use that as my highlighter and blush. Excuse me. Shine it just like that. Let it go on nice and smooth. Look at that, y'all. That's so pretty. Bring it back up towards the high points of my cheeks. Just like that. Look at that, y'all. That's so pretty. Nice. And I tapped it very lightly. And I'm just rolling it up. Just like so. It worked out perfect. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that pretty? I'm just rolling it up. Just like that. Oh my goodness, I picked the right color. Which I can wear all of them. Let me swatch the first one for you, which is called Glow Up. Just like that. Really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. And then the second one's called Major Look. It's pretty gold color here. Really pretty. Ooh. Then we got the bronzer color called Exposure right here. It's a little bit deeper. And then Turned On this red, pretty beautiful red color. It's kind of a rose gold in a way. But here it is. It's what I have on now. This is what it looks like in the pan. You can see the rosiness of it. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I chose the right one for this look. So I'm going to dip into that again. I really like that. And it's smooth and it's melting right into the skin. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Melting right in. That is nice. Oh. And then I'm going to put a little bit of Major Look on my lip. The Cupid bow. Right here. Just like that. And then tip of my nose. Just a little bit. Right there. And right in the center, the bridge of my nose. Just right there. And then I'm going to take my little fan brush. Put a little bit on the forehead. Just a little bit. We glowing up, y'all. We glowing up. I'm going to put a little bit up on my high points of my cheekbone. Just to add a little bit more flare. Just a little bit more flare. That's why it's called the flare. Right up there by the eyes. Just like that. Look at that. What you say? Now, because we really didn't have a highlight bone, brow bone highlight in the palette, I'm going to take some of that and put it on my brow bone. We got some, but it's not to what I'm used to. So I'm going to put a little bit of that spark, a little fire on my eyebrows, my brow bone. Really make the look pop. Just brush that on there real pretty. Ooh, I said I didn't want to go dramatic, but we did. We ended up going dramatic anyway. Alright. And this is the finished look, y'all. go ahead and spray and set it in place with my Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. You know I like to soak in it. Hey y'all, but this is the finished look. I'm gonna bag y'all up a little bit. Alright, here we go. So, we use our 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. Okay, we have our highlighter from Jaclyn Hill's in the Flare. And my lip color was from El La Masqua in Midnight. This is it's the anti-matte formula. And the lip gloss was the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Oil. And the lashes are by Morphe. And there's the Go On and Fake It lashes, the dramatic lashes. Let me get a little closer, y'all can see that. Very dramatic. Alright. So, if you like this look, like, comment, subscribe. I love to have you as part of the Urban Beauty community. Hey, and for everyone who's new, I love to have you as part of the Urban Beauty community. So please push that subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And for everyone who's already part of the Urban Beauty community, I'm so glad you came by. Hey, everybody who watches, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt to help my channel, for real. And I surely would appreciate it. So, I am Sheila She's Beautiful Urban. Signing out till next time, folks. Love, peace, and taco. Peace till next time. Love you guys. Bye.